Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ford RS200 and this is by Hot Wheels from their mainline series, which costs 179. Yes, the price is not reduced yet. Okay, so the price is not reduced yet. Like I mentioned, I'm really sorry guys, there is a cat at my home. I mean, it's a stray cat. So it is already midnight, so it is hungry. So we need to put some food. Okay. Okay, so for people who are actually giving me this advice, I thank you for you guys, because specifically this blister one I'm talking about. I think more than 3 or 4 people told me to put this nail polish remover or something, and remove this without any issues and all. So even this, there is one recent comment, he was worried about that I'm cutting my fingers. So to that person, thank you so much for that comment and caring as well. And see, the reason is, I'm doing this videos at midnight, like somewhere around like after 12 or 1 a.m. So after my working hours, and so after most of the time, everything settles around, so that it will be a bit, like without any sound. So there are some sounds here you can see, but most of the times it won't be this loud, right? So that's the reason I usually do it at around midnight, and I usually get tired half the way. So so if I'm doing this all over for all this 12 videos or so which I'm doing, it is going to take more than like 2.5 3 hours. It will take more than like 5 hours just for doing a mainline review. So that's the reason I'm not doing that. So but anyway, thank you for the concern as well. So with that said, okay, here is the card art. I missed to show this. Okay, this is also 179 if this is the first video you guys are watching. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Wow, the casting looks really beautiful out of the box, and you can see a lot of detailing here. Let me see here if there is any Easter egg here. I'm really happy they actually went with like mostly clear plastic on this one instead of like too much black tint. I can actually see the interior really well. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. Is it this only this engine or is it something else? I felt like it is an engine, but there is a hood here, so I'm thinking that this is supposed to be something else. So whoever actually knows about this car very well, let me know, guys. And this has this Gulf livery. A lot of people go actually nuts for this Gulf livery. I'm not sure why. Okay, so they could have given some acrylic headlights here. They did for like they did for El Segundo Coupe or even the Porsche, which we are going to unbox soon in the coming days. And but they didn't do that. So there are no tail light details either. But the livery looks really good. It is solid, and the casting is really solid. So the interior looks really good. I'm not seeing much of an issue with this casting apart from the lack of detailing. Okay, let's put this on the scale. 32 grams, not bad. There is some meaning for this specific logo here, right? So I'm not sure what that is. If you guys know, just put it in the comments. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, before that, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. The chassis doesn't have any detailing to it, and which is disappointing. But okay, it's good. The rims are plastic. The entire wheel set is plastic, and but they put golden trim on it on the rims. That actually goes really well with this particular casting, so that's good. Okay, let's roll this car now. Okay, that rolls really good. Honestly, compared to that Roadster which we unboxed, this rolls a bit faster. Given that that is supposed to be a track oriented car and this is not. Okay, so I don't see any issue with this car, but detailing wise everything looks really good. You can see the wiper detailing here. The paint job is also really nice for a change, at least for me. Okay, let's rate this casting. So there are no headlight or taillight details again. I don't want details on top or side. At least give headlight and tail details, because I'm going to take a picture like this, not like this or like this entirely. So you need to showcase the either the front or the rear for a picture, right? That would look really good. And so I'm taking zero point 0.5 just for that, 9.5 out of 10. But uh, rest everything is really good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.